Hi, thank you for tuning into my channel. Hope you're having a great day. I'm doing fine. I feel in a good mood, and like today just feels like a good day for me. So we're going to talk about, or unbox, if you will, the Ipsy. It's called the original, but we all know it as the glam bag. And I mean, I love, this reminds me of like a beach towel or a chair you would see around a pool. This definitely screams summer to me. And I love the little glasses on the zipper pull. So inside we're going to have, let's pull them out, TATCHA. Here it is. So here's TATCHA. And it says, this luscious balm melts on contact, delivering lasting moisture and a soft, neutral pink tint. A new drop from member favorite brand TATCHA, which I do love TATCHA. They're excellent. The clean formula visibly volumizes lips and helps restore the lip barrier with a glassy, non-sticky finish. So that would be TATCHA, and I think it's called Pinku. Next, we have one of my favorites ever company, BELLAPIERRE Precious. And that is this one. And it says, get ready to glow. This booster helps brighten dull skin, and with a powerful blend of 24 karat gold, vitamin C, and caffeine. It's a radiance. It's a radiance in a bottle. Travel size. I don't think that's what this costs. It's a travel size, and I imagine if you got the full size, it would be $40. Like, is that right? It doesn't say. Maybe this is a full size. Nope, says travel. And it says $40 for this. Well, as much as I love the brand, I'm not paying that kind of money. Next is a really nice Dolce & Gabbana light blue eau de parfum. I love when they send perfumes because, you know, I wouldn't know half of them if they didn't. So this says, feel the rush of a Mediterranean with this fruity floral fragrance that captures the lightness of sun-kissed sea and sun-kissed skin and sea breeze. It's all, wait, I don't know how I find these other words that aren't even on the card. It's like being swept away by the waves in Capri, bottled just for you. So if you were to buy 100 ml, which would probably be a regular size perfume bottle, it would be $146. That's why I don't mind getting them. I don't usually like floral, but that's nice. That's nice. Next we have Balance Cleanser. And this says it's a probiotic balance cleanser. Let's see if you can see it while I read. Give your skin this gentle, nourishing clean it craves. This lightweight cleanser leaves you feeling refreshed and ready to glow. Sugar-based and oh so sweet to your face, it slips seamlessly into your routine for a revitalizing boost. This is a deluxe sample, and if you were to buy the full version or the pure full size, it would be $38. That's nice. I want to try that. And then lastly, not my color, I don't think. I'm getting, yeah, this is Real Her, what are they calling it? Every Shade Is You. So that's the front of it. Every Shade Is You. And here's the inside. Create endless looks with this 7-shade palette featuring silky blendable texture. From natural mattes to refined shimmers, these versatile tones designed to inspire your routine. Each shade delivers a sophisticated, long-wearing finish for any occasion. And a full size, I think this is a full size. $45. $45. The bag only costs $16.50. $16.50. One product is $45. Well, that was fun. I'm starting to like their bags. When I was on it for a couple years ago, like, they were sending terrible products. Okay, and then I have something cool. So back about 3 months ago, I ordered quite a bit from the member shop, and I had a tracking number, but it was stuck in Seattle. Like, still to this day it's in Seattle, but I got it yesterday. So this is a what's it called? Mega Drop. And everything that I ordered in here, man, I was so upset that I didn't get it. Everything that I ordered in here was under $10. So first is Essential Rice Water Makeup Primer. Ooh, primer. Let's open this baby up. Oh, it's not in a see-through, it's a glass bottle. And it's got a pump. I want to see what it looks like and what it feels like. So that's the little bit that I put on. I don't know if it's blurring or not. It feels really good. Got a little glow to it. Doesn't have a scent. It just says, a skin-loving rice water primer designed to prep, plump, and perfect. Powered by fermented rice extract and hydration boasting glycerin, this luxe formula builds a silky soft base that locks in moisture with while smoothing texture. Enriched with superfood extracts like mushroom, lotus flower, and magnolia, our primer doesn't just prep, it pampers. It's in a very fancy. Can you see that it says primer on there? There we go. Like I said, everything, I don't buy anything over $10. Ooh, I remember this. Natasha Denona High Glam Powder Foundation in RN3. Again, love Natasha. I have another one of her powders. Really good. Absolutely really good. Then we have from Nude Sticks Stay a Nude Sticks stack. No. Nude Stick Stacks All Over Colored Blush Balm. And it's in the color is Love and Roses. Oh, it scared me. So there it is. Comes with a mirror. Do you want me to show you what it looks like? Right here. It's kind of not very bright. Let me do it this way. It's a nice color. I'll like it. It's the color that I always seem to fall for. And these are magnetic. Whoops. They're magnetic when you're not looking. See? That's a good one. Then we have Silky Tint from Purr. Creamy multitasking stick with peptides. Yeah, then it's in another language. Give cheeks and lips a complexion boosting monochromatic pop of color with the on-the-go multitasking stick. This lightweight 2-in-1 peptide infused formula seamlessly applies, blends, and melts into the skin for a natural, healthy looking flush. And it's in the shade Sparkling Rose. I'm telling you, if it says anything about rose, I'm getting it. Oh. Let me put the lid back on. Purr. Ooh. And that's the color. It looks almost like coral, but it is actually purple or rose colored. I like that. Very happy to have that. Oops. Then we have Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Highlighting Blush. It's a blush illuminator, once again in Rose Glow. And I believe this is a full size, because I think I got it in another box. I want to say FabFitFun at Beauty Edit. I might have gotten the same thing. Then we have Dibs. I love Dibs. It's To Go Glossy Balm. And it's in the color of Rock Candy. Like I said, I already have lip gloss on. Should I try it? Mixing lip gloss. Yeah, it looks good. I love it. Love it. I can't believe this thing made it to my house after 3 months. And I couldn't get Ipsy to do anything about it. Like, they kept saying, it's coming, it's coming. Give us another 4 weeks. I'm like, are you freaking kidding me? This is a Glisten Up Creamy lip gloss. And it's in the color Bye. I'll show you. If you can see it on the thing, it actually says Neen, like it does here. It's engraved right there. This is a weird color. And that's the color lip gloss right there. Not very, it's kind of yellowish, I think. We'll have to test that out on a weird day. There's only a few more products. So here is Chica Beauty Highlighter. No, Chica Beauty Liquid Highlighter. I'm going to put this. It's a weird color. It's right here. I don't know, maybe it's different when it's on your face than on your palm of your hand. There's 2 more things. So I got another Glisten Up Creamy Lip Gloss in the color Dusk by the same company. I love it. This is in the color Dusk. Yeah, now we're talking. Yeah, baby. I bet you can see this one. Girl. That one's good. I love it. Love it. And finally, Buxom Full On Plumping Lip Glow Balm in the color Dolly Delight. So I hope it's this color. I always keep going to the wrong side. Buxom. It's shiny, it's right there. Nice. I like it. And that is the 3-month waiting period for a Mega Drop bag. And as I've done in other videos, I'm going to do affirmation at the end of my videos. And this one is from the Mindful Minute activity cards. See that? I get this stuff like this in the TheraBox every month that I get it. So this one says loving kindness. Gently close your eyes and think of someone special in your life. What do you love about them? How do they bring you joy? What little things do they do that make you smile? Now consider, how can you show this person they're appreciated? A kind word, a small gesture, or simply telling them how much they mean to you can usually brighten their day. And that's what it is. So thank you for staying till the end of my video. I really appreciate it. Consider subscribing. It helps me do more with my channel. It really helps me out a lot. And it's free. It doesn't cost you anything. And it'll let you know when I have other videos to upload. And if you like this content, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.